Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can move the call to a Bluetooth device on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. By default, if you are connected to a Bluetooth device like headphones or earbuds, and if you answer the call, you should see this Bluetooth icon. It should turn green and you should see the name of your Bluetooth device. If that's not the case, then you can tap on the icon, on the Bluetooth icon, in order to deactivate or activate the Bluetooth device. So if it's actually green, you want to press on this button in order to use your headphones, earbuds, or whatever you are using. If you don't have access, if you cannot see this call menu, then you can swipe from the top to the bottom in order to open notifications. And then you can go back like so. So if you tap on the notification, you will return to the call info. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye.